I gotta ask this guy if I can. I'll pay him money. Hold on. Hey.
Hey, man.
Oh my fucking god.
Fucking bullshit, bro. Mark my apartment. Or actually, I don't want them to go there. They can possibly rob my shit.
I'm just gonna mark you a garage right here, not our place. That's a garage, not our place.
Copy that.
I'm gonna do another clip. I mean, they're just chasing us down in the middle of fucking downtown. Like, what is going on? Is this just how gangs operate? They just literally... We were just looking at a house. And they didn't even say, like, this is our hood, you can't live here. Let's have some dialogue. It was just actually... To the right.
You mind if I step in?
There it is. Yeah, in there.
You homie.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to fucking call someone now. Let's go.
Alright, so that repaired my car just going in the garage.
Nice.
Good to know, right? So I'm gonna get far from here.